Hey guys, what's up? Jesse Howard here. Have you ever had to remove a section of drywall that was impacted by water damage or mold? It's best to find the framing first and cut along the stud. Stay tuned through this tutorial and we'll show you how to do it.
Bad, but if you just cut in, you can start to feel when you get through, and then just work your way down on an angle. And even, because this is the way most electricians do it anyway, they put the wire right through the middle so you have the least chance of hitting it. So even if you're through a little bit, you can go down and not hit it. Get up in there with a nail and a hammer or a nail set or a punch for pulling out the door hinges and find where that sucker's at. If it goes through, obviously it's not there. When you hit it here, cool, then keep going over till you miss it again. And you know exactly where it's at, and you can chalk your line right down the middle.